I get a room tour? Can I get a room tour? Can I get a room tour? Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy. For those of you guys who are new, I'm a current senior at Vanderbilt University for one more day. I'm actually graduating tomorrow, which is insane. Today's video is going to be a little walkthrough of where I've been living for the past year. I currently live in a single in EBI, which is short for E. Bronson Ingram College. It's a residential college here on campus. We have a dining hall downstairs, music practice rooms, 2 dance practice rooms, and then 4 different floors where students live in either singles, doubles, or suites. I currently live in a single. This room is my personal room. I'm going to be walking you guys through how I decorated everything and my little layout. It's going to be really nostalgic for me. This is like my last time living here on campus as an undergrad, and I have a lot of like memorabilia around me that I've gathered up over the past 4 years, so it's going to be a good one. Let's go. Welcome to my bed area. It hasn't changed a lot over the years. I just have a comforter that I fold in half because it's a little bit too big for the twin size beds. I have this new little graduation plushie. Crazy. And then over here on the corner of my bed, I keep my iPad and then I keep a little journal. I typically use my iPad for like taking notes and doing schoolwork, but also in the mornings I use it as my alarm because it is loud, which is something that, if you know me, I desperately need. I'm very bad at waking up. And then on the corner post over here on the side of my bed, I keep all of my tote bags and my purse. I recently transitioned over from backpacks to tote bags because in comparison to other years, I really only needed my laptop and laptop charger this year, so it worked out pretty nicely. I've talked about this in previous years, but I also have 2 super long extension cables. One is USB-C and the other one is the old Apple connection cable. I think if you're like preparing for dorm life, getting these super long cables is always super helpful because the outlets are always like weirdly placed around the room. Shifting over a little bit to the other corner of my bed, this is where I keep my microphone, a couple textbooks that I'm going to return actually today. That's crazy. And then this little lantern thing that I made as part of my Insta family this year. I just hang it up here. And then I have my little pencil holder. I have a collage of different things that I picked up over the years. I got some of these from Nashville Art Crawls. There's one in the New York Public Library. I have an old album that was produced as part of a school club that I'm in. I have a tag that came with a Uniqlo Attack on Titan shirt, a Polaroid. Back here I have this little picture frame that has my face photoshopped onto one of the New Jeans girls. We got this as like an LNYF gift for seniors, everyone that was leaving this year. LNYF is like our little Asian American Student Association showcase that happens every year. I shouldn't say little, it's quite big. Welcome to my desk area. In this little window cubby, I keep folders. I also keep my MIDI, speaker, and headphone case. I charge basically all of my electronics off of this power strip. I also keep this Galaxy projector that I like to use at night. Woo. Moving over a little bit more, I decided to keep my champagne bottles that I popped for my grad photos alongside a little champagne glass that we got as part of a graduation gift. And in this corner, I keep an organizer. I put skincare, makeup, contacts, basically all the products that I use just hang out back there. Going up a little bit into my shelf area, they're super simple. They're just like a plank of wood with some wire. Up there is where my mirror lives. I also keep a couple just different knickknacks. My friends got me a Gojo figurine for my birthday, so he just lives up there. Hand-painted moons from India that one of my friends got on her India trip for me. Behind it, I taped up a poster that I got from a TXT concert. A couple more postcards that I picked up at art crawls, some photo booth photos, as well as a little train station ticket that I got from a spring break trip that I took with my friends. Right here, I have a little memorabilia piece that my friend gave me. One of my friends started taking Chinese calligraphy this year, and she gave me one of her practice sheets. It says Yong, which is like forever. So I thought it was really fun. I just put it up there. I'm really proud of her. And then I also have a napkin that I took from a senior recital that my friend gave. She's a Blair major. She plays flute, and I went to her senior recital and I cried. I took one of the napkins from her reception afterwards and stuck it on my wall, like any normal, sane human being definitely does. welcome to my couch area. So I have this IKEA couch, 2-seater. I've been known to sleep here, work here, rot here, grow roots here, never leave here. So this is one of my favorite parts about my room. I keep 2 different throw blankets here. Why 2, you might ask? Because one is typically a pillow and the other one is typically a blanket when I sleep here, which is relatively often, I fear. Over here I have 2 little plushies. These are little BT21 plushies from the bath line. You can get them in blind boxes at Daiso. So I got these when I went back home. And then on this side, this is where my little graduation bear collection lives. Oh my gosh, but look at this. Look at this. This one is so freaking adorable. One of my Asa family members made this for me. And it is so adorable and so cute, and I almost cried. So prized little possession. And then over here in this corner is where my other shelf in my room lives. I have a truly embarrassing amount of lip products that I keep right here because I have a mirror on this door, so I just, you know, put it on right before I leave. And then I keep some thank you cards and like well-wishing cards that I've collected this semester. Above my light switch, I have the cutouts from the BT21 boxes that I pasted onto my wall. And then I have this strip of smiley face stickers. I'm a biomedical engineering major, and this year we had a biomedical engineering senior assassin.
The senior BME students are doing senior assassin right now. We protect ourselves from our assassins with spoons, and then we get people out by sticker tagging our targets. So I'm gonna keep both of these in my bag.
Where you had to take these smiley face stickers and plant them on your targets, and if you wanted to keep your assassin away from you, you had to hit them with spoons. This is just a little leftover strip that I have, and it's a really fun, happy memory in my mind. I'm really glad we did senior assassin. That was so fun. And then down here is another birthday gift that I got. This is my favorite character from Demon Slayer. Welcome to, I guess, this corner of my room. Over here is where I hang my towel and my shower caddy. I just fold my clothes and put them in either the shelf or I hang them. Because we have the option to loft our beds actually come with a ladder. My bed is not lofted, therefore I've been using my ladder as pants storage. I just keep all of my hoodies. I just poured a ceiling lamp over here, and over here is my microwave and my fridge. Above my microwave and fridge, I also have some memorabilia. I have a poster of Itachi. I have a poster that my friends made me to celebrate me dancing in a showcase. Alright everyone, that was my room tour, my very last college room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you guys want to see other layouts of other rooms here on campus, feel free to check out my other videos. If you guys liked this video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that jazz. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!